guys, Christy here from MakingItInTheMountains.com, and today I'm excited to take you on a tour of our spring bedroom. Hi again and welcome back to my channel today. The first space I typically tend to decorate with each change in season is our bedroom space, mostly because I like to switch up our bedding to make sure that everything is as comfortable and cozy as possible. So as spring rolls in, I usually like to change up our bedding, switching out all of those heavier textures like flannels and faux furs for lighter fabrics like linens and cottons. Now, of course, while I'm switching up the bedding, I tend to change up the decor items as well, lightening things up, simplifying things for spring. So today I want to take you on a tour of our farmhouse style bedroom space, all decked out for spring, so you can see how simple it is to create a light and airy feeling bedroom space. So let's get started. Okay friends, welcome to our farmhouse style bedroom space, all decked out for spring. So as I mentioned before, I typically tend to start my decorating for each change in season with our bed. I really think it's so important that our bed is a cozy and comfortable space no matter what the season is. So switching up our bedding for spring really just means packing away all of those rich, heavy, cozy textures from winter and bringing out the more light and airy textures of spring. So on my bed, I switched out our cozy flannel sheets for some lighter linen sheets. I pulled out my favorite linen duvet cover set. I love the warmth and texture that it brings to this space. I also chose to layer in my white linen quilt set as well because, after all, we are still experiencing some chilly nights through spring here in northern Alberta. Now, throughout the rest of the space, you'll notice that I brought in a lot of greens and florals, both faux and real. I really think this helps to breathe a bit of life into the space, which is so important after the cold and white winter we've been enduring for months. Now, even though there's definitely a lot of green in this space now, I really tried to keep the greens I worked in more subtle and subdued to really maintain that light and airy feel in the space. You'll also see a bit more cozy texture with that beautiful DIY knit blanket I've left on the antique ladder in the corner. I think it's so important to keep a few cozy touches in this space through the springtime. Now that light and airy feeling continues all the way through to the other side of the room with our DIY faux fireplace. I kept things really simple on my spring mantle as well. You can find all the details for this in my spring mantle video, which I'll link in the description box below for you. Spring in Alberta can be so unpredictable. I really think the key to creating a comfortable bedroom space this time of year is to find that perfect balance between cozy and light and airy. With layers of light and airy fabrics and a few pops of color, I really think this space strikes the perfect balance. Alright friends, I hope you enjoyed this simple tour of our farmhouse style bedroom space, all light and airy for spring. If you like this video, I would love for you to give it a thumbs up below and subscribe to my channel for even more farmhouse style DIY, decor, and recipe ideas. Thank you so much for watching.